Welcome back, ladies. This is a tutorial on how to condition your hair. Okay, so yeah, my hair's not washed, but it will be in a moment. Let's go. Now going to use black Jamaican castor oil and pour it into my dish. Now I'm parting my hair into four. Going to use my section clips to section my hair into four. Once that's done, I'm now going to use the black Jamaican castor oil around my hairline and also in between the four partings that I've created. Great. Now, in each section, we're now going to apply the black Jamaican castor oil in between each line. So I'll say slice a small part of the hair and just paste it on the scalp. Once that's done, use your section clip to put it back up and go on to the next side. And just continue to do so throughout the hair. I love this. We're now going to use a deep conditioner, which is by Osmo, a deep repair hair mask. Take a nice amount and put it into your tinting bowl. Part a small amount of your hair and apply the conditioner from root, mid-length and ends. Massage through with your fingers once you've applied it through, and then take another piece of the hair and continue to do so throughout the whole head. Once you've done a section, massage with your fingers, then do a 2-strand twist from root to ends. Continue to do so throughout the hair. Once all 4 sections are done, grab your conditioning cap and pop it over your head. I'm now going to use an electric conditioning cap. Grab your book. After 25 minutes, you're done. Okay, so I'm going to take it off. It is quite warm. It's nice and warm and it's completely safe. I use this on my clients also. Right, so now that the deep conditioning treatment is done, this is now time to really show your hair some love. After unraveling the 2-strand twist from all 4 sections, you're now going to give yourself a nice head massage. By using the tips of your fingers, move in a circular rotation, it feels really nice. And continue to work your way all around the head, from the front to the back. Then do a really slow head massage. Try not to rub on the actual hair follicles itself, because it's all about penetrating the blood towards the scalp, which also promotes hair growth. Now use your palm of your hand and your fingers to rub the conditioner in. As your hair's still hot, it still has, the cuticles are open, so it still has a chance to penetrate through your hair. This is what I like to call a real deep conditioning treatment. Use an oil of your choice and then style. This is a style I had done later on. Below should be a link to the video of how I achieved this look. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.